Yeah, that's why I was gonna video real quick. So guys, check this out. It's Arturo running up. Brick on brick on brick. Got our buddies here from Dale's. All smooth coping. Check this out. That's a forklift right there. Cheech, I know you can see this. This is pretty cool. Hopefully we don't fail you live. Look at that. 2 at a time. Unloading trucks with a quickness. Making some more room here. The guy that was unloading us thought we had some cool equipment. Blowing through sealer, blowing through a lot of stuff. But yeah, here's some of the equipment that's not out today. Sealer, blowing through that. A lot of people like these too. You ever want a great compactor with a CCD? Pretty sweet. It'll tell you when you're done compacting. Let's give you a little inventory. Goes all the way down. We just took in a lot of Fendt product as well, so that's kind of cool. So we have oaks, tons of oaks, tons of county, and now tons of Fendt. Give you a quick walkthrough. These are pretty deep. This is the ambassador wall, the corners. Located in Sterling Heights on Mound Road. County starts from right here. Then for all our masons, I know the mason guys out here really like to use the Glenstone. In the 4x8s, we have all those in stock. We're just starting to move this stuff as well. So all fresh out the press. This will all be filled up. Just got to get all our inventory in line. We have so much dang inventory. It's crazy. I'll walk you through the yard too. Show you what we're building if you haven't seen it already. Building a ton of bin blocks, open grade, dense grade. Yeah, we got everything from your open grade to your dense grade. We have 2NS and crushed stone, topsoil. We also accept concrete if it's clean for free. We accept asphalt for a charge. Really competitive on that. And then also dirt as well. You can dump all your stuff here as well. So we're here. We stage the projects as well, so it's kind of cool. This is all going out on job sites. So this is for our customers to pick up. We slot them for each customer, and then they usually pick them up within the day. Surprised that hasn't been picked up yet. So here is our boneyard. So you got repairs, what have you. Got a lot of Unilock, a lot of oaks. And this stuff we're going to be blowing out. A lot of it we'll keep though too for guys that are doing repairs that need to play the match game. We do that as well. Got a lot of new pallets back here. Fendt, Dunewood, tons of Oaks products lined up. I'd be willing to bet we have more brick than most brickyards. Got a lot of Fendt walls. Pretty cool statue we have there, Jesus. Guys will usually just hang back here towards the end. So there's our scrap pile of steel going to the recycling. Much more brick here as well. Brick, brick, brick. And I'll show you where we started our bins. We really grew the bin pile. 10 gauge wire, rebar, number 4, 1/2 inch rebar, concrete guys, a lot of concrete sealers. Drivers there, picking up a trailer. So we started all the way in the back of this lot. This will turn into topsoil after we grade it out. And then we have a padding bucket. So we take our really clean dirt, clean that up. A few more trailers, because why not? So as we get a little further into this, this is where the bin blocks will start all the way to the back of the property. It was longer than what I thought. It's almost 700 feet of bin block, but huge dump pile. So this will be, there'll be 2 bin blocks here, or 2 bins here, 1 here for wood. Here's our Ohio 9 chip. So all you open grade guys, got the nice chipstone here. There is our dump pile. There's Mr. Chato right there, always hustling. Guy moves, man. And then we have our 2NS, clean stone, topsoil. This is our dump. Huge bin for dumping, so take a ton of spoils in here. That's Big Papa is what we call this machine, 16,000 pounds. It's our yard machine. That's a 1.5 cubic yard bucket. Crushed 21 AA. Concrete. That's looking a little low. We got that down. This will all hit the trash as well, or recycling as well. And again, like I said, that's this will all go to the scrap mill for recycling. That's all going to the junk pile. We have sprinkler parts, all different kinds of stuff here. Just finishing the unload. I'll show you inside too. Inside's starting to get stocked up with tools. This took a lot longer than what kind of anticipated, to be honest. Give a shout out to all the guys in the supply business. I really underestimated this part, but still getting it done. We got our Husqvarnas here, our sealers. There's Deanna working on job orders. We have our sealers, and then this is all getting stocked up with tools. Waiting on our shipment here. Adhesives. So a lot of adhesives, a lot of poly sands in the back. So this will all be filled up and ready. So we're on Mound Road. Come see us. We're open 7 days a week as well. So you can come in on Saturday or Sunday Those hours are from 8 to 1. And then obviously during the week, 8 to 5. From Oaks, County, High Format, Fendt, SEK Sherban, SRW, Allen Equipment, which is your power buggies, what have you. We have MB crushing equipment, padding buckets, 4 unilifts that we can also rent out to help you with your projects as well, along with our showroom that is completed. We finally got that done. It's a 9,000 square foot showroom completed. So you'll be able to easily pick out what you need and get your projects going and be able to actually pick out your products. So if you're a customer of ours and you're buying from us, you're able to utilize our showroom. It's the largest in the country. We can't wait to see you. Partner with us.